bookshelves, some toys and so forth. This is a bed we bought at IKEA. Yeah, this is the bed we bought at IKEA for Jackson, so we need to fix this room for him. And that's the beautiful view for Jackson's room. The kappa and the pull down. Yeah. And this is the bathroom for Jackson. The bathroom and the toilet. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica Rambutan. So today's video, I'm making a video about my son's room. Guys, welcome to Jackson's bedroom. So this is Jackson's bedroom, and this is his temporary shoe rack. As you can see, these are Jackson's shoes, and these are my favorite shoes. I really love these shoes. So these are the storage boxes. I didn't hide anything in here. It's empty. This is wardrobe. Some few clothes hanging in there, and some diapers and wipes which I'm not using. And this is his tree we're using to measure his height. Let me try to put on the light. I'll be using to measure his height. So guys, this is Jackson's tree. We'll definitely stop measuring at 180. And this is his playing table, and he has got his cars there and his toy. And that's his pillow. When he's playing down, he can relax using that pillow. And this is his toy. And that's his storage boxes, guys. And his door boxes with some toys in it. Jackson has got too much small toys. These small toys for Jackson. So guys, and some cards in here. Some of the boxes haven't yet stored because of his toys are 1. This one needs to be assembled. It has got a toy on its own and some books in there, you know. Some of them have been teared in pieces. Don't mind, I'm sure you know how these kids can be. And these are that's his shelves with his pictures and his pictures on this frame. And that's his wardrobe, guys. And the storage boxes, I've added some diapers in there, different types of things, some clothes in the storage boxes. And then this is baby there. And carpet. Okay guys, so this is Jackson's bed, and his bear. And this is his wardrobe for clothes. And these are storage boxes. You can put clothes in there, or you can put anything. So I've put sorry about that. So these are the diapers for Jackson. Okay, so these are the storage boxes for Jackson, and these are the storage boxes as well. This one is for the toys, and this is his bed, and that's his beautiful mat, and that's his shoe rack, and this is his table, his study table. And so I made the other video. This is his view from his bedroom. The other video I made, if you haven't checked it out, about our video or our empty house, I made the view from the other room. This is his bathroom. Yeah, and that's Mr. Dolphin there, and this is his towel. Jackson, as you know, is a Christmas baby. He was born on Christmas Day. Christmas Bobby. Phew, 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 phew. And this is his bathroom, sorry. This is his bathroom, and these are the towels I used to wash his body. And this is storage box as well. So in here you find some compartments, some of the things I've removed, some lotion he uses. Jackson uses Anako lotion. I use Anako on him, and I like Johnson's for his hair, and I mix it with Kanto product. I just like it to be clean and soft. And then this was the first one I was using for him, but I changed it. So these are things, and these are his storage things, and the earbuds here, and this is his perfume for now. His perfume. So this is his toilet and bathroom, the back side, and this is where he store his toothbrushes. I haven't installed the seat for his toilet yet. I will install soon. It's there. So Max's bedroom is finished. Please guys, tell me what you think about this room. I'll be doing another room. Do you like it? Do you love it? Tell me what you think of Mr. Junior Tan's room. And his shoe rack.